Howdy, here with another serial number hunt. So I have a bunch of ones. Look through them. I've already pulled out a few that I think are interesting. We'll look at those at the end. Before I'm going to go through these kind of quickly. So if you happen to see any that you think are interesting, be sure to leave a note in the comments. Also, if you do me a favor, if you like these videos, please click on that subscribe button, and appreciate thumbs up, and always love good conversation. So, all right, here we go. You want to say hi, Taffy? That's my pupper, Taffy. You want to say hi, Taffy? Yeah. You're looking for the bills too, huh? All right. One of the last videos I did, I realized I missed a whole bunch, so it's always good to kind of go through them again. I think I may also be a little more methodical with looking for particular things on the bills, because I was kind of focused on the. Right now, I'm just kind of focusing on the lower left serial number, but I mean, I should be looking at the upper right one also, because sometimes they're mismatched. But lots of things to look for, and things that can make the bills valuable. Almost done with the stack here. A couple of pair in that one. Couple of pairs in that one too. Okay. Yep. So I didn't see any of that round either, but so these are the ones I did pull out. I've been kind of saving the ones that have triples in them. I have seen some eBay auctions that have 10 bills in them with 000 through 999. So I'm saving them out, seeing if I can make a set or two and possibly sell those because they're kind of fun. This one, kind of neat. 65 repeats, and then the 3003 is like a little mini radar. There's a 333. 777s are always popular. There's a 123 bill. I thought that was neat. This has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But, yeah, this is like 4, 3, 2 down, 4, 5. Yeah. It spoke to me. Oh, and this one is this one's an old one. This is a bar note. Yeah, I did another short video on this one. I think it was the first bar note I found. This one is about the same time period. It's 1963, 1963A. Get the focus there. But, so also it's pretty well worn. The bar note actually doesn't have quite the folds that this one does, but this one looks like it's been folded into quarters and stuff like that. But yeah, so I got a couple of old notes and a couple kind of cool numbers. But if you found any that I went through in the larger stack, let me know in the comments and we'll take another look at them. But otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy videos like these, I invite you to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment because I love good conversation. Thank you very much. Enjoy the hunt.